In this video, let's see how to install 1.5-inch wheel spacers on your Ford Explorer. Let's check it. As long as you have the jack and torque wrench, you will be able to install them by yourself. No need to spend money to install them outside. If you haven't found the spacer you like, maybe you can consider this bonus wheel spacer, because safety and quality are always the focus of Bonus. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Thanks for watching and have a great day!